your finances. I say out in the name of Jesus. Out in the name of Jesus. I rebuke every spirit of stealing, killing, and destruction. Out of our vehicles. Out of our vehicles. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Everywhere you are right now, I am praying and agreeing with you for the issue of transport. I say out. No, we are there. We want to know your vehicles. Out! Everywhere vehicle. Come on! Come out in the name of Jesus. Lose your hold. I pray for you. Vehicles, new vehicles. No second-hand vehicles. Brand new vehicles. Receive in the name of Jesus. Brand new vehicles. Receive in the name of Jesus Christ. Father, 6 months down the line, I pray there will be an overflow of cars here. I pray